Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name's William Burrell, and I'm doing a PowerPoint on Unit 7 Human Nutrition and Digestive Systems. So let's move on. The structure and functions of the digestive system. So, the functions of the digestive system is to digest and absorb food. So, it will be eaten in little pieces and small amounts, and this will help it to absorb into your body. Firstly, it'll go into your mouth where we chew our food, and it is mechanically broken down. Also, our teeth are like canine teeth, which can rip through food. Then your tongue mixes the food with the saliva during chewing, and after that, it is rolled into our bolus, and it will then pass through the esophagus and you will start to swallow it. Then it goes into your stomach where we churn our food, and it will be mixed with gastric juices, and it does this so we can digest it better. Also, the stomach glands, which contain water, hydrochloric acid, minerals, salts, and enzymes, and intrinsic factors, and all this is necessary for us to absorb vitamin B. A normal meal can take 2 to 4 hours before it is digested. Then it will pass through the small intestine. Then it moves on to the small intestine, and this is where there's much of the digestive system and absorbs, and it is split into three: duramen, gingham, and lilum, and then it is mixed with the pancreatic, and intestinal juices. Then it goes to the large intestine. This is where it has vitamins, and it converts food into feces, and it will remove the water contents. So we're nearly at the end of the digestive system, which is a factor, and here is where we temporarily store feces. Lastly, we move to the anal canal, and this is the last part of the digestive system where we pull it out. So this is a picture or diagram of our digestive systems. Explain the constitution food groups of a balanced diet and their sources. So group 1 is about chicken, turkey, beef, pork and lamb, walnuts, almonds, Brazils and eggs, cod, salmon, sardines. Group 2 is about cereals and potatoes and bread and more starchy food. Group 3 is about vegetables, the colourful plate. Group 4 is dairy and alternatives, which can provide vitamins and minerals, calcium, protein, and we should consume that 2 to 3 times a day. Group 5 is about oils and spreads like butter, there's oil we use for cooking, and we should use these because it's for a healthier diet, and the oils and spreads are more healthier than saturated fats. Enzyme chemicals and mechanical digestants. So mechanical digestion is where you chomp on food so it breaks down into small pieces which are more easily to digest pieces. Chemical digestion is where the enzymes in your saliva which moisturize the food for swallowing. Then we have some enzymes. So we have lactase is the lining of the small intestine, and this enzyme breaks down lactose and it produces glucose and galactose. Pepsin is the gastric gland, and this will produce large amounts of protein. Explain requirements of key life stages. So babies have to have milk or breast milk 0 to 12 months. Then we have toddlers 1 to 3 need healthy meals and snacks such as fruit. That's the calorie intake as well. Preschool children 4 to 6 years should follow a healthy balanced diet to help with gut growth and development, and that's the calories again. Children 7 to 10, which are still growing, so they need daily energy and nutrition. Like I say, that they're the calories again. Teenagers 13 to 18 are still high because they are growing and developing on a daily average. Energy and nutrition below. Adulthood. Adults 1964 don't change dramatically, and they're the calories below: 2,500 for men, 2,000 for women. Older adults aged 65 years and over decline with the age, so they are required to take proteins and vitamins and minerals and have a rich diet. And this is a chart which the need is iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin B, and folate. Analyze the consequences of not having a balanced diet. If you don't have a balanced diet, you are more likely to be at risk of having high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, and getting cancer. Also, you can end up having high cholesterol and mineral deficiency. And these are all the deficiencies you can get: calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc deficiency. Symptoms to look for. These are some of the symptoms that you need to look for if you think you have vitamin deficiencies. Your eyes, your hair, your mouth, your nails, your skin, your teeth, gums, emotional and mental, and muscles and your joints. And thank you for watching my PowerPoint.